Maintain IT uptime effortlessly so you can focus on your core business. At DigitalWell, we work with you to build a tailored managed IT services package that works for and with your business. Are you able to cope with day-to-day management requirements and just need someone to handle backup and disaster recovery? Or are you looking to outsource all IT to focus on your core business? We are agile and flexible IT partners who can bring together a solution that works with multiple technologies and requirements, so you're always fully looked after. Our proactive IT management service means we can anticipate failures and take action before they occur, maintaining uptime and therefore revenue for your business. We are always monitoring and supporting you too, 24/7, 365 days a year. And should there be a network failure and things need fixing, rest assured that there are no extra costs. Our flat fee covers everything, so there aren't any nasty surprises later. At DigitalWell, secure collaboration and customer experience are at the heart of all we do, and it goes far beyond just the tech. Speak to us today to find the best managed IT package for your business.